How to pay your USAA insurance bill online. Let's get started. Launch your USAA app, or also you can head towards the website. For this video, I'm going to use the website. Launch your preferred browser and then type in usaa.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Then go ahead and click on the option of log on. You'll be directed to the login page. Now here you have to provide your credentials in order to log into your account. Once logged in, on the home page, find and select My Accounts tab. Click on Billing or Payments to view your billing information. Find the specific insurance policy for which you need to make a payment. Click on the policy to access detailed billing information. Click on Make a Payment or similar option. Select your preferred payment method. Example, bank account, debit card, or credit card. You may need to enter your payment details if you haven't set up a payment method before. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum amount due, the full balance, or a custom amount. Review any payment options such as setting up automatic payments. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the payment to process the transaction. After submitting your payment, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Save or print the confirmation for your records. So this is how you can pay your USAA insurance bill online. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.